Hi guys, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, still people needs to come. Now listen carefully guys. Today class continuation of number series and we'll discuss number series exception models today. If I am fast, please raise and ask. If I am fast, please raise and ask guys. ఫాస్ట్ అని అనిపిస్తే అక్కడే మీరు ఆపి అడగండి బాబు ఓకేనా guys please respond. How many people are there in a class? Please raise hands. How many people are there?
48, sir.
Okay. Is it audible my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, today morning in charge sir called me, right? He said that I am fast. So if anything is fast in the class, please tell me. Okay? Then I'll go slow and I'll explain neatly. Clear guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Will we continue?
Okay, sir.
Now today is the last class for number series. Next we'll discuss coding decoding. Okay, exception models we'll discuss today. We'll go very slowly. If I am fast, please remind me. Yes, the question is this. Try slowly. Two, 3, 5, 8, 14, 23, question mark, 67.
29, sir.
Yeah, where you are? 2, 3, 5, 8, 14, right? 23, question mark, 67. What in place of question mark? Take your own time.
$35, sir.
Yeah,
34.
it is answer is 34.
35, sir.
35. Still any other answers?
34, sir.
35. Still any other answers?
$38, sir.
Yeah,
37, sir.
38. Again 37.
37, sir.
Yeah, 37. Still any other answers?
37, sir.
37.
37. Still any other answers?
మధు సార్
Yeah.
సార్ 1 minute సార్ నేను సురేంద్ర సార్
Jai Babu, no problem. Still any other answers?
మా వినండి అమ్మా హలో
Sir.
సార్ నేను సురేంద్ర సార్ను
Sir. Good afternoon. చెప్పండి సార్.
సార్ 1 minute సార్ ఒక ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇవ్వాలి వీళ్ళకు అమ్మాయి వినపడుతుందా
Yes,
Sir.
Listen, sir.
సండే 2 hours ఎగ్జాము మ్యాథ్స్
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
థియరీ ఆఫ్ ఇండస్ట్రీస్ లాగడదాము
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
ఓకేనా?
Okay, sir.
ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరైనా రాలేదు వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా?
Sir.
Okay, sir.
సండే ఎగ్జామ్.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
ఓకే
Guys,
సార్ కంటిన్యూ కంటిన్యూ.
okay, thank you, sir. If you need answers, I'm writing here option A 37, option B 39, option C 41, option D 38. Now you can
Thir-
type.
37, sir.
Is it 37? All the people are getting same answer. Yeah, tell me how the logic. How, guys? How? 37 is correct.
Place
Why
12
and
place.
how?
Sir,
Yeah.
2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 5, 8, 5 plus 8, 14.
But 8 plus 5, 13, na. Here you are having 14. Again, 14 plus 8 is 22, now you are having 23. Now, no problem. Listen carefully. Guys, all the people, all the participants, please listen carefully. And this is a miscellaneous question, comes under number series. The answer is 41, according to the key sheet, right? The question given in a previous year. The answer is 41. How? Let's see. Very simple. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Then next term, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. Then next one, 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. Again, 14 plus 23 is equal to, how much will get here?
37.
Sorry, 14 plus
37.
8.
37.
Yeah. 1 second. So that is 8 plus 14, which is equal to how much? 22 plus 1 is equal to 23. Then 14 plus 23, which is equal to how much?
37.
37, sir.
Yeah, 37 plus 4 is equal to 41, right? Again, 41 plus 23 is equal to 64. 64 plus 4, sorry, 64 enough? Is it correct? 37 plus 4, that is 41 plus 23 is 64. 64, 63 plus 4. Right, 64 plus 4 is equal to 68. This is a print mistake. Please make it correction.
Sir, difference is na answer.
Once again, I am explaining. Listen carefully, guys. Listen carefully. Once again, I am explaining the logic. The previous year question. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 0. Right? 5. Now again, 3 plus 5 is 8. Right? 8 plus 0 is again 8. Here 2 times each is adding. 2 times 0, 2 times 1. Right? Again 2 times 4. This is the logic behind this. That's why it is a miscellaneous question and important. Depending on the options, we are getting answers. Clear, guys? Anybody wants to repeat?
No, sir.
These type of questions called view questions. ఎక్కడ నెగ్గాలో కాదు ఎక్కడ తగ్గాలో తెలుసుకోవాలి. అంటే ఇలాంటి టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ మీద టైం వేస్ట్ చేసుకోకూడదు. ఆల్రెడీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి లాజిక్ వస్తే ఓకే, అదర్వైజ్ జస్ట్ లీవ్ అండ్ గో అహెడ్. అది బెస్ట్ అన్నమాట. ఎనీబడి వాంట్స్ టు రిపీట్?
No, sir.
Shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
Then see the next.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please, guys. If I'm fast, remain me. Question number 2. $88. 176. Question mark. 2112 10560. Please try this. Take 5 minutes or 3 minutes of time. I need you. If you need options, I'm writing options. 520, 530, 528, 532. I need explanation also. How? Please try all the 46 participants. If anyone not understood, you can rise and ask.
Sir, 528.
Yeah, very good.
88 into 2, 162, 176 into 3, sir.
Yeah, super. Remaining people. All of you getting answers or not?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Very simple, guys. Very simple, guys. Very simple.
88 plus 88, 176 into 170.
88 into 1 is 88. 88 into 2 is 176.
176 into 3.
76 into 3 is 528. Again, 528 into 4 is 2112. Again, into 5 is 501056. Anybody wants to repeat?
No, sir.
Guys, anybody
Sir.
wants to repeat? Okay, na Mari?
Okay, sir.
Question number 3. Please do this. Try this. 76, 75, 142, 399, question mark, 753. Please remind the shortcuts. Please remind the shortcuts or tricks. I already told you that if there is a sudden change in the series, definitely there is a possibility of multiplication or perfect squares or perfect cubes. And this is important question. Guys, try slowly, no problem. This is important question. Comes under miscellaneous. ఇలాంటి టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ మీరు ముందు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుంటే తప్ప ఎగ్జామ్లో చేయలేరు. ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్.
Sir,
యా టెల్ మీ.
1532.
If you need options, I'll write options.
1530, sir.
1532, sir.
Yeah, I'll write 1530. Option B 1535. Option C 1532. Option D 1536. Tell me which answer is correct. I put tick mark there.
1530, sir.
Yeah, answer is, guys,
1530, sir.
1530. Still any other answers? If you are done, I'll explain. Guys, please answer all the people. 45 people are there. Please answer, guys. అందరూ రెస్పాన్స్ ఇవ్వండి. అండ్ రీజనింగ్ విల్ ఇంప్రూవ్ యువర్ డైలీ. నేను చెప్పేదే యువర్ మెంటల్ ఎబిలిటీ స్కిల్స్. Okay, now listen carefully guys. How? Logic చూడండి బాబు, చాలా important. This is very simple. 76 into 1 minus 1.
Minus 13.
76 minus 1. 1 cube is 1. It is 75. Again, 75 into 2 minus 2 cube. That is 75 into 2 is 150. 150 minus 2 cube is 8. 150 minus 8 is 142. Again, 142 into 3 minus 3 cube. Right? 143 into 142 into 3 is 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3 plus 4 is this. Minus 27 is 3 cube. How much you are getting? 399. Again, 399 into 4 minus 4 cube. So that is 399 into 4 is nothing but 400 into 4 minus 4.
1596.
Yeah, it is 1596 minus 4 cube is
64.
64. How much will you get here?
1532.
153. Is there option like that? Yes. Option C. Guys, is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Am I fast?
No, sir.
Anybody wants to repeat?
No, sir.
Then see the next question. ఇప్పుడు రాసే నేను ప్రతి క్వశ్చన్ కూడా టఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్, and those are miscellaneous questions which were given in previous years. Again, try this. Please try guys and tell.
125, sir.
Good. Still any other answers?
125, sir.
Yeah, still any other answers?
123, sir.
123. Very good. Still
123,
any
sir.
other answers? Yeah, 123.
125, sir.
123, sir.
Yeah, still any other answers? Very good.
123, sir. 125, sir.
Yeah, 125 or 123. Still any other answers, guys? Express.
125, sir.
125, sir.
Still any other answers? Babu, express చేయాలి ప్రతి ఒక్కరు.
125, sir.
Yeah, 125. Very good. Still any other answers?
125, sir.
Yeah. Now, guys, please listen carefully. What is the logic? Babu, ఎవరికైతే రాలేదో please listen carefully. If you see here, 45, 62, 81, 102, question mark, 150. See here, what is the gap? Again,
17.
what is the gap?
19.
Again, what is the gap? What is the gap? Again, what is the gap? See here, what is the gap you are having here?
17. sir.
70. What is the gap you are having?
19,
90. What is the
21.
gap? 21.
21,
Definitely next gap is
23.
3. Next gap is 20.
25.
102 plus 23 is 120.
120.
Clear, guys, all of you, this one?
Yes, sir.
Anybody wants to repeat? Guys, anybody wants to repeat?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. Next question.
Take double difference also. All the time you will get as +2. Okay, then try next question. Yeah, please try, guys. మీరు చెప్పిన ఆన్సర్స్ నేను ఆప్షన్స్ లో రాస్తాను. Yeah, please try, guys. All these are considered between
216, sir.
34.
Yeah, one answer is
6.
216. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Will any other answers? There are 2 question marks here.
Second one 862.
Still any other answers? ఒక్కరేనా?
216, sir.
Yeah, 21. ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ కూడా ఉందమ్మా.
864, sir.
864, sir.
Still any other answers?
216, sir.
Any other answers? ఒక కుట్టు మిషన్ సౌండ్ వస్తుంది, ప్లీజ్ కీప్ అవుట్ సైడ్.
648, sir.
యా 614. ఇంకా స్టిల్ ఎనీ అదర్
648.
216, sir.
216. Still any other answers? No problem. Now listen carefully. What is the logic? Simple logic, and it is a regular question for all competitive exams as well as you also. Right? This is a previous year question. Into 1. Right?
Into 2.
Yeah, this is 1 only. Yeah. Into 1. Then into 2. 2 times.
Into 2. Into 2.
Yeah, this is into 2. So 2 is twice. This is not here. Only this is into 1, into 1. And again into 2, into 2. Then next time into 3, into 3. 8 3 is a 24. 24 3 is a 72. 72 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 7s are
288.
8. Again into 4. 8 4 4 8s are 32. 3. Again 4 8s are 32 plus 3. 35. 4 2s are 8 plus 3. 11. Got my point? Anybody wants to repeat? Now listen carefully. Once again I'll explain. Please listen carefully. This is not here, not valid. Means into 1, into 1. So here each time every multiplication is twice. Into 1, into 1. Then next time into 2, into 2. Then next time into 3, into 3. Then next time into 4, into 4. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Thank you. Next question. Please try this. All these are miscellaneous questions. If and only if you are do previously, then only you can answer in exam. Now the same question, type of question, 1 1 2 6 24 question mark 720. The options will become 120 96 124
120, sir.
120, sir.
120.
120,
120, sir.
120, sir.
120, sir.
గుడ్ గుడ్ 45 people లో కొన్ని 5 వాయిస్ లో వినిపిస్తున్నాయి. మిగతా వాళ్ళు ఆన్సర్ గాయ్స్ ఎందుకు సైలెంట్ ఉంటున్నారు?
120, sir.
120, sir.
గుడ్ 120. నైస్. స్టిల్ ఎనీ అదర్ ఆన్సర్స్ గాయ్స్? ఎవరికైనా ఇంకా వేరే ఆన్సర్స్ వచ్చాయా? యా వెరీ గుడ్ 120. నౌ లిసన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. ఎలా వచ్చింది 120 అని?
Into 1, into 2.
1 into 1 into
1 into
1.
1.
Into 2.
యా 1 into
1
1.
into 1, 1 into 2,
1 into 2.
1 into 2.
2 into
3
3,
into 3.
Yeah, into
3
3.
into 4, 6
6
into 4,
4.
24 into 5.
24 into 5.
Very good. 124 into 5 is 24 into
120. 126 into 720.
guys. Question number 7. Very good. బాగా ట్రై చేసినారు. See the next question.
Sir, 109.
Yeah, 2 question marks are there.
107.
Yeah, this is
107, sir.
107, sir.
but 107. What about this?
173, sir.
173.
Super guys. How the logic is very simple. Right? 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 plus 16 is 41. 41 plus 25 is 66. 66 plus 41 is 107. 107 plus 66 is 173. This is a regular question. For all the time, you will encounter this type of questions. This is a regular question. మీరు ఎప్పుడు ఏ ఇయర్లో ఎగ్జామ్ రాసినా 90% క్వశ్చన్ ఇది ఎగ్జామ్కి రావడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. Next question, number 8. Please solve, guys. Please solve this an important question. 4, 6, 12, 30, 10, even 1 to 60. Option A 70.
90, sir.
Option B 90. Option C 75. Option D 80.
90, sir. 90, sir.
Yeah, one answer is 90. Still any other answers? Still any other answers? Still any other answers?
Sir, last the 1260, sir.
Yeah, 1260. Thank you. Still any other answers? Thank you. Yes, guys, still any other answers? Guys, still any other answers? Chapala, 45 people unnaru.
90 only, sir.
Yeah, it is 90.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Still any other answers? Yeah. Guys, now listen carefully. May cheppina answer wrong. How? Please listen, guys. No problem. Please listen. And this is also important question and regular question. And regular question. The series is 4, 6, 12, question mark, 315, 1 to 60. Now listen, guys.
Sir,
If
31, sir, series.
30, sir.
into 1.5. 15 4 the 60. Point means 6. Into 2. 6 into 2 is 12. Again, next to 12 into 2.5.
2.5.
25 12 are 300. One number after point means 30.
Sir, 30 question loan, sir.
It is already there. Then next question mark. Yes, 30 into 3. Yeah, it is
90.
90.
90.
Correct, guys. Again, next one is 90 into
Into 3.5.
is
315.
315. Again, into 4
Into
is
4. 1260.
The logic behind this series is into 1.5, into 2, into 2.5, into 3, into 3.5, into 4. Every time it is incremented by 0.5. Why? Because this series means sudden increment. If you observe the series, there is sudden increment. If there is a sudden increment, there is a possibility of 3 things. One is multiplication, another one is perfect square, Other one is perfect cube. Right? See the next question. Anybody wants to repeat?
No, sir.
Still anyone having a doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Shall we move forward?
Okay.
Yes,
Then see the next question.
One 166, sir.
Yes. Still any other answers? One answer is 166. Still any other answer?
Sir, 168.
Yeah. Still any other answers?
Sir, 168.
168 na?
Sir, 168, sir.
Okay.
168, sir.
Very good. 168. Still any other
168.
answers? సార్ కొంచెం చిన్నగా సార్ సార్ కొంచెం చిన్నగా yes guys, still any other answer?
168, sir.
Yeah, 168. How? Now listen carefully. The people who are getting not getting answer, now I am explaining. The series is 3,
4.
13, 38, 87, question mark 289. See,
84 ke
if
1
you
square,
see
sir.
here, if there is a sudden change, no, not sudden changes. ఇక్కడ నుంచి కొంచెం పెద్ద సిరీస్కి వచ్చేసింది. If you see the gap 1, if you see the gap
9.
9,
9.
if you
3
see the
square.
gap 25,
25.
yeah, if you see the gap
49.
49, if you see the gap next, this is what here?
1 square.
1 square.
This
3
is 3
square.
square.
5
This is
square.
5 square.
7 square.
6 square. Then
9
next
square.
time, Mari,
9 square.
odd number square. 9 square is how much here?
81.
81. So 87 plus 81 is
168.
168. The people who are saying 168, absolutely correct, guys. Absolutely correct. Very good. Then solve the next question. Anybody wants to repeat the previous question? 2, 6, 16, question mark 84, 176, 368. Option A 46. Option B 48. Option C 50. Option D 44. Yeah, please do it and tell me answer. Try slowly, no problem.
38.
Yes, answer is option A, B, C, D.
48, sir.
Option B for
48.
40.
8.
8.
Still any other answers? Still any other answers? Guys, still any other answers? Guys, any other answers? Yeah, no problem. If you see the gaps
46.
over here, 10 here, I don't know here. Again here, gap is how much here?
92.
92.
Again gap is how much here?
192.
192. If you see the gap here, plus 6. Definitely next gap, how much you will get here? To get as usual these things. If you here plus 12, that is 10 plus 12 is 22.
2.
16 plus 22 is
38.
38.
it is how much here?
38.
38. Sorry, I written wrong. Option is 38. Again, next here plus 24. Isn't it or not? So that's why 22 plus 24 plus 38 is 84. So like that the series is going. So the series is plus 6 plus 12 plus 24 plus 48. Like that the series. So the gap is doubled every time. Into 2, into 2, into 2, into 2. So that's why this question is important. Comes under miscellaneous in number series. Shall we move forward? Anybody wants to repeat?
No, sir.
Shall I move forward? Guys,
Yes,
answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Question number 12. Please solve this. And this is also important question. 4, 7, 13, 25, 49, 97, question mark, 193. Options as 153, 193,
193, sir.
156, 196. Yes, option.
193, sir.
Yeah, which option, guys?
193.
193.
Yes.
Still any other answers?
193, sir.
Yeah, very good. Still any other answers? Still any other answers? Yeah. Still any other answers?
193, sir.
Very good.
193, sir.
Still any other answers?
193.
193, sir.
Yeah, very good.
193, sir.
People, please respond, guys. చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు కదా, అందరూ చేస్తేనే కదా ఆన్సర్స్ వస్తాయి.
193, sir.
Very good. Then how? Let's see here. What is the gap you are having? Plus 3.
3.
What is the
Six,
gap
sir.
you will have?
Plus 6.
Plus 6.
6.
What is the
Plus
gap you
12.
will have?
Plus 12.
Plus 12. What is the
Plus
gap?
24.
Plus
Plus 24.
the gap you
Plus
will
Plus
have?
48.
Plus 48. See here, 3, 6, 12 means double. 24, 48. Next to 48 double is
96.
96. So 97 plus 96 is definitely 193.
3.
Who the people are saying 193? Very good, correct answer. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The next question. Please solve this.
Six 40, sir.
640, sir.
40, sir.
Yeah, answer is.
640.
Sir.
Still any other answers?
Six 40, sir.
Yeah, very simple. Yeah. Into 2, into 2, into 2. And how here? Into 2 got it.
550,
Two
sir.
4.
Into 4.
Not like that. Try like
Into
that.
2 into 4.
Sir.
Yeah,
Sir, into 2 into 4, sir.
4.
yes.
640, sir. 80 into 4.
10 into 4, sir.
Yes, guys.
In
5
5
into
into
2.
2, sir. 10 into 4.
Mark కూడా కొంచెం కొంచెం వచ్చు. Into 8. Into 8. Into 8. In between them.
Into 8.
Am I correct now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Into 8. Into 8.
Into 8.
Here answer is 6.
640.
Right. Number 14. Yeah, please solve this. 14. 26. 48.
So 2s are 16. 16 minus 2. 14 2s are 28. 28 minus 2. 26 2s are. This is a 12 to 1. This 41. 5 minus 2.
Yeah, tell me answer, guys.
52 is 100. 100 minus 2. 98.
50, 98.
50 98, sir. 50 98, sir.
50,
sir. 98.
298.
How we are?
8 into 2 minus 2.
2 minus.
Minus. Super, guys. Into 2 minus. Into 2 minus. Into 2 minus. Right. Question number 15. Solve this. This is important question. Given in previous years. Now do it, guys. Tell me answer.
Sir, first 439, sir. 339, sir.
Yeah, guys. This
Adi
is
330.
339, 778, question mark 2812 5622. I need how also. How are you getting is important. Please check the gaps. We'll get an idea.
Option A.
It is option A. Still any other answers? Guys, still any other answers? Please try slowly. No problem.
Sir, option A, sir.
A, sir.
Yeah, option.
A.
Yes. Still any other answers?
Option A, sir.
Yeah. Then see the gaps.
339.
778, 439. The gap is 330.
339 into 1.
Yeah. Then next gaps only you are having here and here. I don't know what the number here, but what is the gap here you are having is that is 2712.
Sir.
If you double 339 into 2 is 678.
178.
78 plus 678 is 1456. If you double this thing, again you will get here as 135.
135
The simple thing is gaps are doubled each and every time.
into
పెద్ద
2.
నంబర్లు కాబట్టి కష్టం అనిపించింటది అంతే.
Okay, sir.
339 doubled 678. 678 doubled 1356. 1356 doubled 2712. Gaps పెద్దవి కాబట్టి just somewhat difficult. Otherwise,
Sir?
it's a normal question.
Sir,
Is it clear?
313.
Tell me.
Sir,
Yeah.
339 into 1, 339 into 2 కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా సార్ అప్పుడు
339 into 1, 339 into 2, 339 into 3. Yes, absolutely correct.
ఎస్ సార్
Definitely correct. But answer is same.
Yeah.
Same answer will get 1456.
సార్ ఒకసారి లాస్ట్ 5624 మైనస్ 2812 ఏంటి సార్?
Difference.
Yeah, what I should do?
2812.
2812.
లాస్ట్ 2712 కాదు సార్, 2812.
2812.
కానీ 1356 ఇంటూ 2 చేస్తే 2712 నే వస్తుంది సార్.
Yeah, is it 2812 or 2712?
2812 సార్. గ్యాప్ 2812 సార్.
1356 into 2. What happened? Let's see. Just double it. 12, 11, 7, 2. It is 2712. Yeah. Shall we move forward? Now listen carefully. Question number 16. Please solve this. Yeah, please try this. Complete the series.
114.
One answer is 114. Still any other answer? Guys, still any other answers?
128, sir.
128. Still any other answers? Oh, అందరు try చేయాలి. Only few people are saying answers. What about the remaining? See, first there are 47 are there. Now it will become 41. If you are not listening, means
114, sir.
114, sir.
yeah, 114. Still any other answers?
Sir, రాశారు సార్ 114.
Yeah, no problem. Still any other answers? Karana? Yeah, how?
114, sir.
Yeah.
122.
Okay. Very good. 114. How?
Sir, gaps.
Yeah, how? Yeah.
0 to 6, 6.
Yeah, 0 into 6, 6.
Huh?
0 plus 6 is 6. Huh? Oh, yeah. 0 into 6 is 0.
0 plus
0 plus.
Still any other answers?
132, sir.
122, sir.
132.
132. Very good. Still any other answers?
122, sir.
Yeah, 122. Still any other answers? Very good. Yeah, no problem. Now listen carefully, guys. The question is this. If there is a sudden change, I already told you
0
that
cube
there is a
minus 0.
multiplication of x
2
square
cube minus 2.
of x cube. This is 1 cube minus 1. This is 2 cube minus 2.
Minus 2.
This is 3 cube minus 3. This is 4 cube minus 4. This is 5 cube.
Sir, answer 132, sir.
And this is 6 cube minus 6. So what is 5 cube? 125 minus 5 is what is the answer, guys?
120.
120. Is anyone getting 120 answer?
No, sir.
Sir,
Are killing. Same logic. No problem. Try another question. Please try another question. Please try this. Take your own time. All these are view questions. Definitely they will come in exam like miscellaneous.
$450, sir.
Yeah. Answer is?
$450.
Guys, కొంచెం little bit loud.
$450.
450. Very good. Still any other answer? Please solve all the people. Any other answers?
Four 30, sir.
430. Still any other answers? Good. Still any other answers? Okay, no problem. Listen carefully.
450, sir.
450. Still any other answers? Okay, guys, no problem. The logic is 1 square minus 1, 0. 2 cube minus 2, 6. 3 square minus 3. 4 cube minus 4. 5 square minus 5. 6 cube minus 6. 7 square minus 7. And this is 8 cube minus 8. 8 cube is 512.
512.
Minus 8 is 5
Not.
4. Is anyone getting answer like 504? Definitely he is super. If anyone getting 504 means definitely he is very super. Guys, clear? Guys, please respond. Is it clear, all of you?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone
Okay,
having
sir.
a doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Am I fast in the session?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, guys. Thank you. Take care. Again, we'll continue tomorrow.
Okay, sir.